Alright, now we're going to talk about action cameras. Now, what in particular is that? Scratch lenses. Okay? We tend to scratch the lens of our action cameras, diba? Now, I have mine here, Insta360 1R Twin. Okay? Sad to say, accidentally scratched the lens. Okay? So, lagi ano ba yan? Scratch lang naman yung lens eh. Yeah, scratch lang yung lens. But it shows up every time we're recording. Okay? Now, there's this particular part in our video na makikita mo yung scratch na yun. Diba? But, pwede ka naman bumili ng bago. Anong gagawin mo? Right. You can actually buy one. Okay? This Insta360, you can tear it down to 3 pieces. You have the brain itself, the battery, now the mod. Okay? This spare mod is already costing around 10,000 pesos. Right? Ang bigat. Diba? Ngayon, just for the mod. The mod itself, it's functioning fine. Diba? The problem is your lens. You have a scratch on it. Diba? Now, what I'm planning to do is to repair this. Right? We're going to repair this scratch lens. And that's what we're going to do today. Right? Without further ado, let's go! Okay, so nakikita nyo, may gas-gas yung lens natin, di ba? Ayan. So what we're going to try is to remove that. Okay? And again, remind ko lang, itong gagawin natin is for those scratches lang, not for those cracked lens ng 361R Twin natin, no? Na 360 mod natin. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, first, try natin muna i-cover yung mga parts na hindi natin kailangang matouch, no? Or oo nga pala, ito yung mga material na gagamitin natin, no? Ito, yung material na to, it's called polishing powder. Ngayon, tapos gagamit din tayo nitong what do you call this? Pang polish. At gagamit tayo nitong, okay, yan. Ito yung gamit ko para sa pang-polish natin at masubukan nating tanggalin yung scratch dun sa lens ng ating mod. Okay? Let's start! Alright, after 3 hours, ito na ang result. Okay, tagalin natin. And just wait for a while, no? Re-rinse ko lang siya, no? Then remove ko itong mga tape. I'll be back. Okay, and ito na yung ating finished product. Okay. Ayan. Yan ang kinalabasan nung ginawa natin na sobrang gas-gas, diba? Kanina. So, ayan na siya.